Welcome to 541 Hall Hill Road, Somers, Connecticut. Come on in. This 11-room home offers 4 bedrooms, two and a half bathrooms, a first floor laundry, hardwood floors up and down, and a lot more. Come check it out. As you enter in from the family room, you have a beautiful bay window across the front of the house that overlooks the views as well. A full wall fireplace with beehive oven storage. This is a great place for a great room where you can sit while somebody's cooking in the kitchen. The white kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, a beautiful center aisle, wine cooler, breakfast bar, pantry. Right off the kitchen is a formal dining room with chair railing and tongue and groove woodwork, and beautiful views as well. Right off the garages is the entrance to this fabulous family room. How often do you have the opportunity to own a post and beam family room like this with palladium windows? There's a nice pellet stove that they've inserted into the fireplace, storage, vaulted ceilings. These are all real true posts and beams with dowels and beautiful ceilings. Check out the tongue and groove work, it's gorgeous. These are Lego enthusiasts, so you're gonna see some Legos. It's just really a cool place to entertain your family. And a huge loft upstairs with a ceiling fan and bright windows. Great for office space or just getting away and having that privacy. There's split air conditioning systems and heating, and absolutely gorgeous views out of all these windows across the whole entire front of the home. Check out this patio where you can sit and have a glass of wine at night when you get home from work and just look at the fields and watch nature and wildlife. When you want your family gatherings and to play football or volleyball out in the backyard, this is the perfect yard, over 1.5 acres. We have a fenced-in area for your furry friends or your small children also. Do you like to sit outside when it's raining or have barbecues? You can have barbecues all year round with this covered porch. Plus, they have a newer 6-man hot tub. This home features a brand new roof, and there's a lot of roof here. 30-year architectural shingles, you have a nice cupola. There's a gorgeous 4-car garage with newer garage doors and transom lighting above it. Up above the 4-car garage, there's loft space as well. So if you'd like to come see this special home, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We hope to hear from you.